So here we want to calculate the molar mass. So molar mass is the amount of mass in 1 mole. And since moles, a mole is a large number of particles, that is going to be a large enough mass to be measured in grams. So if I want to measure the mass of a mole, I want to know how many grams are there per 1 mole. Or if I had a mole, how many grams would that be equal to? And so molar mass, the units are grams per mole. So what I'm looking for here are how many grams per mole are in this substance. Those are the units I want. So it's a little bit unusual because normally when we're doing a conversion, the units we want to have in the end are just one thing, like liters or grams. But in this case, the thing I'm trying to calculate has 2 units. It has grams on the top and moles on the bottom. So when I plug things in, I need to plug them in such a way that whatever quantity I plug on top allows me to get grams on top of the fraction. And then I'll plug a quantity into the bottom of my conversion that allows me to get moles on the bottom. In this particular question, it actually gives me the moles directly and the grams directly. So all I have to do is plug them in. If I want grams on top, I just take the grams that it gives for this substance. And I want moles on the bottom, so just divide by the moles that it gives for this substance. And that gives me grams per mole. I don't even need to cancel anything because they've given me the units I want. Now if they gave me like kilograms, I would have to convert that to grams first because I want grams per mole, not kilograms per mole. If they gave me individual atoms, I would have to convert the number of individual atoms into moles first so I could calculate the grams per mole. But in this case, it just gives it to me directly. So I would do 152 divided by 0.372, and I get 409 grams per mole. Again, kind of checking my work to make sure it makes sense. Grams per mole is the molar mass. That's the mass of all the elements that would be involved in this compound added together. Their masses on the periodic table added together. So the smallest it could possibly be would be 1. So if for some reason I put this value on top by mistake and put the 152 on the bottom by mistake and I got a number that was less than 1, I know it can't make sense for a molar mass.